Hello guys, this is another day, another vlog. My husband is a chef for be hosting Halloween party. Ito yung ginawa ko, yung egg with spider. Akong gumawa yan with my own creation and craft. And then, ako din gumawa nitong anong tawag nito? Yung parang bungo at saka mga intestine. This little one, the ghost, then I made it. This kind of spider. So far, paggawa ko nito maliit sana pero tumubo siya eh. Kaya hindi ko nga alam kung spider ba to or octopus. And then my husband is making the canapes, his own idea. At ito na aking presentation, yung they have more cupcakes and anything, and we start from morning to do it that one until we finish around like more than 5 hours to do and prepare everything for the party. It's only a small party but because they have big plates kaya medyo marami siyang tingnan. So far successful naman yung event na yan. Not too big, is a residential home which is we are working with my husband. And only my husband is a chef and I'm the assistant chef. Sometimes if they are so busy and nobody will assist him. Tapos gumawa din siya ng small pizza. It's really fresh. And yan, at ito ay yung utak, jelly brain, at saka yung heart gelatin. So far, all visitors are enjoying with our foods. At least I'm so happy. And this cake is from my friend who give it and sort of pictures na lang ang ni-upload ko dito para makita lahat talaga kung ano ang inahanda namin. Anyway, yun lang ang I can share my cooking sharing, and hope you enjoy and watching my video, and can you please like and share. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye, and the next video.